In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the fog light bulb. So you're going to want to take a 10mm socket or wrench and disconnect the negative side of the battery. Remove the two push pins right here. Now you have a body tool that just pulls that down. You can use a small flathead screwdriver. Once those are removed, you can pull down on this plastic and get it out of the way. And now with the undercarriage shield out of the way, you can reach in, grab the socket and turn it counterclockwise. Pull off the socket with the bulb. And to remove it, you're going to push down on this tab and pull. Now you can take your new bulb, line up the tabs, slide it in until it clicks. You're going to put it back into the lens till those three tabs line up, and then turn it clockwise till it locks. Now you can put your plastic shield back up. This piece actually goes between the bumper cover and the front frame. Line the holes up, push the push clip in, and then click it locked. Now we can reattach the negative battery cable with a 10mm socket or wrench. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.